Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So as usual, starting off with Euro USD, and the longer this goes on, the less likely that this is a wedge. So for me, just get rid of the wedge. We've basically been ranging for the whole week. So moral of the story is quite simple. Break 110.44.6, we have a move to the upside, possibly back to test this 111.082 area, and if we break below 109.611, then we should get some continuation to the downside. But for now, it's starting to look like a potential flat top triangle on the 8 hour, but we are very far away from that materializing. So just drilling down to the 1 hour, and you can see just underneath the moving averages yesterday, we're through the moving averages today. Oscillators group to the upside. So I would assume a pullback back onto 110, retest of 110. If we can hold 110, then probably a move back to the top of the range. So that's the only move that I can see at the moment. We want to see a pullback, get this gap closed, get these moving averages to cross over, and then you're looking at 110 as your opportunity. Probably 15-minute is going to be the way to do it, but you can see yesterday 15-minute didn't offer anything, pretty much extremely volatile. Moving averages have crossed over in the 15-minute, so everything is leaning towards pullback down here, come down to this 110 area, and you're looking for an opportunity to buy, and you're looking for 110.446. If that doesn't materialize and we get straight through 1.446 today, I'd want to see a pullback, a retest, and start building on this level before looking for a long. So, and I don't think I'd want to do that today. I'd rather wait for next week for that move. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and pretty much a similar situation here. Nothing really to trade. We're coming down to this level of 121.344. That is the closest level we have to buy off. And you can see we're getting there. Oscillators group quite nicely. And what you're looking for here is an entry where your stop is going to be in this zone just below the swing low. So there are quite a wide zone that you've got here, so it's pretty much into this area of 121.344 or 121.181. So we're looking for price to get into here, looking for structure to form, a pin bar, inside bar or engulfing bar, and we're looking to buy off that and stop below the previous swing low. Moving on to British pound Japanese yen, looking like a double top at the moment. A little bit of diversions. You can see price high, oscillators forming a low. Not confirmed yet. Obviously we need to break below this tail for that to happen. So this bit of structure that we had yesterday was definitely something which there was buying off, but as I said yesterday, I'd much prefer a move down to 158.144, and let's just get this double top level in as well. And that also makes a lot of sense. You can see there's quite a bit of structure down there, so potentially a move to come and test this. Trend reversal is pretty much almost confirmed. Obviously we want to pull back to come and test it, so a break of this double top here and move down to 156.640, that would definitely be a retest of that environment. So looking at the 1 hour, and you can see when we did the video we were looking for a retest of this area. It never really happened, but we did get a retest of that bit of structure there. So if you're watching this, there was an inside bar off a level above the moving averages. Great opportunity to buy. Oscillators not getting to overbought territory, but not quite overbought. So that was the opportunity there. So potentially there's a couple of levels here. First level is 160.163, so pull back onto that, looking for structure, in other words inside bar, pin bar, engulfing bar. Off this level we're looking for opportunity to buy, and your stop is below these swing lows here. It could pull back a little bit further as well into this, but I think we'd rather just do that. So the only way we're going to look for a short here is a break below 159069. So at the moment, 8 hour is looking a little bit oversold, or overbought, should I rather say. And you'd expect a deeper pullback, big gap to the downside, etc. But when you look at the lower time frames, it's lining up for another move. So what you want to do is go with the trend. At 15 minutes as well, you can see some nice structure forming. If we do get back into this area, it could also just bounce around here. But what you're looking for is some structure, and then you're looking for an opportunity to go with the trend, which is up, and just keep your stop as tight as possible. If you keep doing that, you keep getting profit until it doesn't trend anymore, and that's normally when you're going to take a bit of a knock. But if you keep your stop losses tight, that knock is very small compared to the profit that you would have banked through the week. Anyway, moving on to Euro British Pound. We're coming back up to test this area. Remember this thing on the 8 hour, what we're looking for is a retest of these moving averages and the 155. So looking like a bit of a flag, big move down, bit of a flag happening. So I'd still be watching this area of 0.83 600. Just round it off to a round number. So 0.83 600 is what you're looking for. And at the moment, you can see yesterday not much going on. We definitely, when you look at prices like this is not a strong upward trend. This is kind of people just waiting, and this is always what looks to me like the bears are just waiting for an opportunity to buy and to sell. And that is going to be in this area of 0.83 600. So 0.83 600 is the area to watch. Just bear in mind that we do have a couple of smaller levels just above it. So it's not an exact science. So anywhere between 0.83 608 and 0.83 675, price can move, can turn from there. And your stop is going to be these previous swing highs here. So trend is down at the moment. And what we're looking for is a retest of the 155. We haven't had a retest of the 155, I suppose. You can see we tried there, then we broke above it and then down. So this is kind of what we're looking for here. Okay, anyway, that's it for me on Forex today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy the weekend, and cheers for now.